I'm going to make a quick meatball casserole tonight, and I'm just going to bring you along and show you how easy it is to do. So here's my ingredients that I'm going to use. This is salt, some chopped onion. You could use fresh, but I'm going to use some dried. This is one of my favorite seasoning mixes. I actually just get it at TJ Maxx, but you could just use any kind of Italian seasoning. Garlic, some pepper, some Parmesan cheese, and I am also going to add some pesto. I'm going to use this grass-fed Angus ground beef. It is a 85-15 fat. I usually like to do 80-20, but this is what I got. And then it'll get topped with mozzarella cheese and also some marinara sauce, which I need to pull out. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, let's get started.